Twitch in the neon haze. Cold steel optics lost in a feedback maze. You prime the weapon with a digital roar, but the cybernetic core won't lock anymore. Chrome nerves sparking in a fraction line. A war reborn machine that can't stay alive. Cybernetic Misfire Anthem blasted through the grid. A glitch-born fury for the damage you did. Cybernetic Misfire Anthem. Metal screams out of sync. A weaponized failure right on the brink. Server limbs tremble under overload. Every command you send gets corrupt and slowed. You try to aim straight through the static storm, but the system rejects every lethal form. You hit reset at the edge of a burnt out dock. Palm on the console watching the cursor block. Gears keep clattering in a one-note beat. Half the edge is dead, but it won't quit the street.